Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Yummy Arts Theater. Yay! Today we're coming to you live from Susan's secret place.
That's right.
We're not even going to tell you where
Top
we are.
secret.
All we know it's top secret, and Susan has provided it, so this is going to be amazing. Wait till you see what Susan's got in store for you. I can't wait. I can only see parts of it, but I'm already excited.
I can't wait either.
Ladies and gentlemen, Susan Carberry.
Woo! All right. Hi, everyone. It's been a while. Today I thought we would do a baby shower cake for a little boy with a nautical theme. See, I even dressed up the place for the nautical theme here. I got, went to the store and got all this stuff just for you. Okay, so what we're going to do first, if Scott, can you actually take a look over here and see these waves? This cake's going to have waves on the bottom. We're going to have some sailboats and maybe a couple of little whales kind of going around the cake. So we are going to have moving parts here. They're going to be going around the cake behind the waves, and then the cake is actually going to sit in the center and be stacked up with the nautical theme, and then hopefully on the top cake we're going to have some seagulls flying around the top also.
Flying seagulls.
You may have thought these wires were actually for a bomb, but no, they are not. They are going to be to do the moving parts, which we'll talk about that later. So one of the first things we need to do is get this chocolate going, because it's going to take a little while to set up, because we can't actually put it in the refrigerator. This one I did earlier here. That's holding it up. This is called acetate. So you can get this in big sheets. The sheet was actually a little bit bigger than this, or you can get it like in a color, but it needs to be tall enough that we won't see like this cake board behind here, and I'll talk more about that as we get to that. We just want to get to the chocolate first. So I've got the acetate. Make sure that you have like a straight line in one area here. This side here is where I cut it, so it's kind of wavy. I don't want to start on that side. So I'm just going to take this ruler here, and I need the waves to be about, I think they were about 4 to 4.5 inches. Yeah, they're really 4, and I went over a little bit. So that means the acetate's got to be a little bit taller than that. So I'll just kind of cut it about 5.
That's a very fancy ruler you have there. Is that anything significant about that ruler?
Well, I like it because it gives you the perfect edge, from here and here. So if you line this one up on a straight edge, you're always going to have the exact measurement.
Some people would call that a right angle.
Okay, there you go. I call it a thingamabobber.
There you go, straight edge.
Yeah.
So any ruler would work.
But I use it a lot. Any ruler would work, but
Okay.
this is going to be better.
Okay.
I use this one a lot, and I like the metal ones rather than the plastic, because sometimes I'll actually cut with an X-Acto knife or blade or something on there, and the plastic ones you can actually kind of cut into. So then I want to mark it for about 4 inches, because I need the chocolate to come up to about 4 inches. So I'm just going to do some little lines just to follow. Okay. All right, so then I'm done with that. So you can keep this wider if you'd like. You can keep it that wide, but usually you don't have a lot of space around, so I'm just going to actually cut it. And I needed at least 2. Hopefully 2 will do it to go around this board, but I might have to do a couple extra pieces to fill in. So the board, well, we'll talk about sizes and all that later. Okay, so then I've got some coating chocolate. We've got 2 different colors here. I've got royal blue merkins and just regular blue. So I've got it melted down here already. There's 1. There's 2.
So merkins is your favorite. You can use any.
You can use any coating chocolate, yeah.
Melting discs. But we love merkins.
I don't know if they all have the royal blue though.
Yeah.
Most of the companies have blue, but I don't know about the royal blue. Okay, so what I do is I actually will take a little bit of the darker blue and pour it in here and kind of stir it in. Oh, look, marble. Nice. Okay, and then just pick this bad boy up, pour that in.
Kind of marble.
Hot, hot, hot. The bowl's hot. Woo, hot. Okay, I am not, if I did a lot of ice malt, that wouldn't have been hot.
Yeah. Oh, I got you.
But I don't, so that was
used
hot.
to it,